Around 23,000 skilled jobs are expected to be created in the coming years because of transformation efforts by some 22,000 companies. They worked with Enterprise Singapore to innovate, expand their capabilities and go global. ESG says 2022 is a turning point for companies and it's time to switch gears from merely trying to survive the pandemic to growing their business. Chloe Chu reports.
When international travel came to a standstill, plans to expand overseas were dashed for businesses too. ESG says helping firms grow into new territories was a big challenge the past 2 years, as countries were severely impacted by the pandemic. ESG and the Trade and Industry Ministry say it's now time to catch up.
Travel restrictions made it very difficult for them to travel around and to venture abroad. We need to urgently recover the lost ground. While we will need to continue to help businesses adjust to COVID-19, it is timely to also help them go on the offensive and seize opportunities locally and abroad. We are at a strategic turning point. We now have to prepare ourselves so that when the world economy reopens fully and recovers quickly, we are the first out of the gate to seize these opportunities.
And the situation is starting to look up. Last year, the number of firms which partnered ESG to grow their businesses jumped 44% compared to the year before. Such efforts are worth around $18 billion. ESG says it'll press on with internationalization efforts and help firms deepen market presence in the region. It also wants to intensify innovation and enable firms to seize opportunities in new areas like sustainability and food tech. All this while growing local companies with global ambitions.
Even as we focus on helping high-potential companies, ESG will continue to uplift the broad base of Singapore companies. For example, implement the enhanced industry transformation maps built on the foundation of digitalization. We will reach out to this broad base of enterprises with the support of partners such as the trade associations and chambers.
ESG remains cautiously optimistic about the economy this year and has pledged to provide even stronger support for local entrepreneurs.